So today in this video you would be learning how to solder a DC-DC converter. So the components which you require to solder a DC-DC converter is your soldering wire, 4 wires, any color would do, and your soldering gun. So now let's get started. So now I'm going to be telling you how you can solder this easily. So take your soldering gun, take your wire and place it like this. And now take your soldering gun and then just slide it in slowly with your soldering wire. If your wire went kind of cross, just do it like this again. And you're done. That's one side of the wire. The second way you can do this is just take your soldering wire and just cover it like this. That's one way. And then now you can take your actual wire. I'm taking a different color here. And you're done. So now on the other side of your DC-DC converter, if you felt that the second way was easier than the first way, you can continue. Now take your thing and just place it like this as we did the last time. It's done. Take your wire now. And that's done. Take another wire to do this side. So if you're a beginner, when you're starting to solder, you can use the help of tweezers, and it's going to be kind of safe when you're starting to solder. And so now if you just want to make it kind of clean, you can just put some more soldering wire on top of your wire so that it would look clean. So if you want to do that, you can just follow now. And that's done. So you can solder your DC-DC converter easily and cleanly.